But, no. No, no, no. Kaya kasi nakagawa na yung guys. Kaya, dito lang tayo sa parang ito yung parang ganda dito sa apartment nila. May yung part nila ito yung part nila. Ayan guys, hindi natin kailangan pumasok. Line is my favorite vlog. And guys, don't forget to like, share,